Hello everyone. So right now, today in this video, I will be talking about bio students. Like, I'm a math student, so I'm going to talk about bio students because, I'm think that their God is not having some mercy on them. Like, they are just suffering and suffering. So, and another thing that I want to talk about is that how parents they force children to take PCB, and now what is happening to them, and why we should not take PCB even if we are forced to take PCB. So first of all, let's talk about the things that PCB students are going through. So, like a children has taken PCB, so now private colleges are very costly. So what they have to do is take um take a college which is not so costly, so which is supposed to be AIMS or some government hospital. So I said government college. Okay, so now this government college wants us to have a good rank, one of the best ranks in the competitive exams like NEET and whatsoever. So now what happened that they have to go to coaching, and this coaching has multiple hundred thousands, like it has a batch. A single batch is 50 students, and now they are and these batches are also competing to get into a star batch. Okay, so that's some coaching and everything. So let's say the child works his ass off the whole 2 years, or let's say 3 years for the drop out ones, but I will take the 2 year ones. Okay, so now this person gives the NEET exam, and now the paper gets leaked, and after that this all gets the shit out and whatever whatsoever I do. So we also know that now they have to give the NEET, and that also gets, I don't know, like Telegram people were saying that they will leak that also, but I don't know because I was not using Telegram. Like, I just made an account on Telegram like 1 week ago or something. Now their 12th class grades are very bad, like because of the thing, right? Like, we all know that CBSE, this OSM thing was totally destroying the children's marks. Like, half the question were not properly checked, the answer sheets were totally blurred, they were not able to understand whatever was in the answer sheet. Other than that, the half of the time the answer sheet was of some other children. So this is the thing now, their 12th class grades are so low. They're like exam status of the competitive exams, that is also so bad. Now what do they think in their mind is like, they were they were having 2 to 3 goals. First was that they will score, first of the biggest one was that they have to get a good college by giving NEET exam, and now that's leak. Another time you have to give um the competitive exam. Now I will not say that everyone, but like 80% of the children are totally worried. They don't know what will happen because the last time they had given the exam, it went well, or maybe not, but there many of them were having good marks, and now they will be having so much pressure because they would have to again do all of the thing. But I don't think that it's so much. But the last time the aim or whatever this AIMPET exam, last time it was leaked, it was again done, that it was very much difficult. And the same happens right now. Children will be so terrified of that. Like, they literally, their ranks will go, like they will not get government college at all. And now to get a proper government college, they would have to be the bestest of the best, like the, what do we say, creamy layer. Those people will be getting the government colleges. I think no other. And the person who was ready to do the hard work 24/7 would also get a bit discouraged. And the person who can survive this whole time, I think so, were the one who was having the voice from their own self that we have to do PCB, we have to become a doctor or nurse or whatsoever. What the fuck happened to this? Like, let me tell you, like, what the hell happened to this video. What the hell? Like, who did this? This is done by the monkeys. Like, what happens? Like, in this area where I live, there are a lot of houses. Like, see there, where what is that cow doing? So this area I live in, there are a lot of houses. So monkeys are very much coming in here and destroying all the plants that are here. So in this sector, in other sectors, many of them monkeys are not there. In many of them they are there. So here are a lot of monkeys. Whichever plant I keep in the balcony, all of them are destroyed by the monkeys. And first we used to keep indoor plants, but then they were not getting sufficient sunlight. The um, from whichever nursery we bought those plants, the farmer or whatsoever we can say, I don't know, he said that it doesn't need much sunlight, so we just kept it in front of the door. Like, the door was open, and the net type gate was closed, and whichever that we say जाली जाली वाला गेट बंद था, और जो लकड़ी वाला जो नॉर्मल गेट होता है वो खुला होता था. So what used to happen, that the sunlight used to come to this plant almost like for minimum 4 to 5 hours a day. I don't know, and we used to water it too. And it's not like we watered it so much that it was not wanted. Other than that, we used to put the manure also inside the plants, and we were like properly doing everything. Like, my grandfather was a farmer also and a teacher also, so I don't think that any mistake was done. But I think the plant still got like affected, and now we have no indoor plants. So what we were talking is that how a person who doesn't want to get into the PCB background can survive, or at least when they become doctor, they would still regret being a doctor, because in between of the life, like at the age of 30 to 35, they will be in a trap, like, what am I doing in this life, and I don't want to live in this life. So if a person, let's say he or she lives in a rich family, so they would get into a private college, because, like, i don't um, I don't think that people are so much poor that they cannot go to private college. Like, an upper middle class family can afford to get their child into a private private medical college. Like, people are not so poor. Like, I'm saying about the upper middle class family, and the middle class type, I think they will not force the child, and if they do, then they will force the child so much that they have to get into aims. You have to get into aims, and I don't think that child will be able to do so and just go into the trap of need. First, I used to think, what is the competition, bro? You have to just prepare the best of the best you can do and just give the exam. But now I'm in class 11th, and I prepare the best of the best, and then when the question comes, like, the questions the are like, I do it just because I did it divided by 2. Now the answer is 2. Like, the answer the question is 1, but my answer is 2. So I take the 2 and not 1, and then it gets wrong. Like, it's, of course, that common sense, but, like, that's how the ranks fall. That's how your marks decrease. Like, bro, my percentile is so bad, because first of all, I'm not that serious in studies nowadays, because right now there are a lot of backlogs, so I have to complete that now. And tests also, I'm not giving them right now, and that's very bad, and you should give tests and all. But the thing that I'm having a lot of backlogs, and my home also has a lot of functions, and this whole holidays I was having cousins at home, and right now also. So what I have to do is enjoy at home and go to park to play. So that's I would say that they are not an excuse, but this, yes, it is an excuse. What am I even saying? So if I want to become a doctor, like my parents have to become a doctor, so I have to become a doctor. I have no voice from inside. Like I don't have that determination from my heart. Like if I want to become something, right, I want to have a determination from my heart. Like I should have a very passionate answer that I'm asked about that. Now this person, like, it doesn't have that thing from inside. So whenever he or she has to study, they have to convince themselves to study. Okay. Another thing is that because if they become a doctor, then what they have to do is that they have a long shifts. Like if you become a good doctor, you have to have a lot of shifts, like a lot of time you have to spend with the patients. You will have multiple surgeries. Like everyone who will come in front of you will think that he should perform his best because our family member is suffering and we are giving all of the money that he has asked. Now what happens is that the doctor has been working like 10 hours, or let's say 5 hours also. He's very exhausted and he's not able to perform his best like every time. And if a person is like so exhausted, he or she will um, may have some mood swings. Like they will have some little bit irritating tone, and then the person will think that such a bad doctor, what they do all the day is just take our money and at last say sorry and nothing else. But the thing is that the doctor has been working the whole day, is working the whole fucking day. Like he wakes up so early. Like after becoming a doctor, I would have to sacrifice my physical health. Like I think that, like, I have to sleep so much less time. I wouldn't have any time to have some time to um, go to gym, because at that time, like, I cannot replace that thing the gym can do with any other thing. I don't want to gym, but the thing is, after I become older, like of the age of 20 to 30, I will not get any chance to go to park and play with barf pani like I can do right now. But after in that age, physical activity would be, like, for keeping myself healthy would be only gym. And other than that, if I see that I have to go to academy and all, being a 30 to 40 year old, then it will take a lot of time, I guess. Like 1 hour would not be enough. So I'll just go to gym a day, gym 1 or 2 hour a day, and that's how you can be healthy. And I don't think a doctor can do that, because like their routine is so jammed. Like literally you will go to any hospital and just ask that please call the doctor, and after half an hour they will come, because they have to come from home to hospital, right, to do the job. Now they will be coming, they will be treating you, and they will be going again. I don't know where they go again. I'm not so much literate about this topic because I don't have any doctor in my house or in my relatives. Like I don't, like, I have a doctor, like she is doing MBBS, so I will say that she, okay, let's say her doctor, so that she can be happy. So um, after getting to college, it's not like you are completely done. If you are doing MBBS, it's not like you are completely done. Now we'll get the job, and what we think is, now the job is taken. Now there will be not so much like there will be a lot of things, but you have to manage, and it's manageable, but you know it's not manageable. The stress a person gets after working for like so much. What we say is that doing job is very suffocating. I feel like too, if someone will say me to work 9 to 5, no. I will feel like I'm being suffocated, like literally. Someone is holding my throat also and my nose also at the same time, because I cannot, like those time 9 to 5, it doesn't have that time to let me have some, take some work for, take some time for myself. Like that time, like the food I will eat will not be good. Like the food, because 9 to 5 doesn't earn that much, I guess. Like what am I even guessing, bro? It doesn't give that much money. But let's say, because I don't want so much money to be healthy, what I need to be healthy is, so let's say what healthy means: eating clean food, eating good food, having good sleep. And in food, like there is a lot, like all the nutrients. So I will just eat egg and it has a lot of nutrients. Other than that, whatever the rest micro nutrients are there, I will take that from the supplements or dry fruits. So I think we can afford that from what? Clean food is like it's like one of the things that cannot be taken. Like what do we think? Like what is our dream? That we go to some source and that source is the best. And that's not possible. Like I would like thinking so much. Like when we are in 10th, we are studying for board exams. So what we wish is that we see a one shot. In this there are all the best PYQs. Concept is being taught like the best, and questions are done like from the beginning to the master types, like everything, and we understand everything like this. And like this, the one shots are very less. And to be honest, what we expect from these one shots and what we expect for our food is very similar. But the thing is that just like how these channels, like the famous education channels, are so much less, which are actually providing quality content, they're so less that these they cannot be seen. And now these quality content that we want, like the quality food that we want, like from where to get, it's not very popular, so we don't know how to search for them, how to get to know that. So when we see someone else settled like in a good way for something, that like I went to my nanny's house, so like how they used to get milk was that there was some aunt in the village, so she used to have one or two cow like at her home. So she used to take milk from that cow, and there were 3 to 4 people, they were taking milk from that house only. So that's the best way, I think, because that woman is taking milk from the same cow, and the same, and many other people were um not many other, 3 to 4 houses only. um so now what is the thing that we cannot be afraid of is like she cannot सुआ नहीं घुस हो सकती वो गाय के अंदर, क्योंकि देखो उन्हें सुआ घुसो दिया ना गाय के अंदर, तो वो जहर जो भी वो दूध होगा ना गंदा वाला, वो औरत भी पिएगी, और वो औरत तो पिएगी नहीं वो जहर वाला दूध, इज इक्वल्स टू कि वो गाय को ऐसे प्रताड़ित नहीं करेगी. सो मीन्स द काउ. एंड अनदर थिंग इज़ दैट, जो कि हमें को पता है कि भाई अगर गाय जहाँ पे रहती है वहाँ पे अगर हम ढंग से वहाँ पे साफ़ नहीं करते तो उस जगह को, अगर वो वहीं गोबर पड़ा हो और वो वहीं दूध दे दे तो छी, और मतलब वेरी अनहाइजीनिक. बट क्योंकि वो जो दादी है वो अपनी गाय का साफ़ सुथरा रखेगी, क्योंकि वो एक दादी है गाइस, माइंड इट. तो दादियों को क्या होता है, हर चीज़ साफ़ होनी चाहिए. ओके लेट्स से अगर उस दादी को नहीं है भाई, so what will happen that she knows if she keeps the cow in that dirty environment, so the part from where she takes the milk out, from that part of the cow, the food, the milk will be infected, so that will infect the aunt also, like not the aunt, I don't know, whatever she is, the dadi or auntie or whatever whatsoever. So perhaps if that milk comes out to be infected, then at least one person would have been affected by that, and there is nothing that I've got to know about that thing. So what I was saying, good food, right? So this was a thing that at my nanny's house. So if, like for example, I'm a doctor, let's say I wake up like 7 in the morning because I slept very late. So I wake up 7. I cannot wake up at 5 a.m. because like I literally slept at 2 a.m. So what I have to do now is wake up at 7. Now do my daily work, like making my bed and um, ironing my clothes, eating breakfast, getting ready, um, like this. And now it's 8 a.m. Now I have to leave. Now I reach there. People are like in a hurry. Now they want us to do this, do that, go there. And now, the manager or whatever the head is, they tell you that which patient you have to um treat first. So now you have to listen to that thing. So now you go to that person. That person wants you to perform the best because you're a doctor and they're paying you the full whatever you asked. So now you are going there and um, treating the person. So you do it nicely because it's the first patient. Like second also, third also. You like at third you're a little bit, not late. You're like at the third year being like, I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor, so I have to do this. Like still, it's okay if you have to only speak to that person, and there are little bit examinations. Um, and I think that it's not so much money that they give in that, right? It's just an appointment. So you have these many appointments. So other than appointments, you have a lot of work to do. Other than that, also paperwork also, and assigning medicines and using the brain while giving the medicines. And a video I saw on YouTube, in that a lady was saying if you don't have this voice coming in from you, then you shouldn't take doctor, because you cannot survive the doctor life. Like it's very much, you cannot survive the doctor life like that, and I totally agree. Like you have to work like the day shift, like the night shift, any shift. I need to work 12 hours a day. You have to perform so many surgeries. Your hands should not shake, You have to cut the different organs of the body. So you have to be 100% careful. So like this is taught in the college and while practicing, like in the internships. But the thing is that, like for example, you were taught how to write in M2 M3, like M2 M3 means in the in nursery class. And now when you are in 12th, you are you know how to do the work in a good manner. But the thing is, you cannot do the work in good manner the whole time. Okay, so now this person is so exhausted, he or she may need some rest. But the thing is, because they are a doctor and they are being paid a lot, so they have to get so exhausted. That's why I don't like that people. And let me tell you why parents say the children to become a doctor. Like it's mostly for girls. Let me tell you, because for boys they, because in girls, first of all, people think that doctor is related to someone who wants to treat and someone who is good from, like, who wants to take care of everyone and emotional type. That's why people think doctor is for females. And let me tell you, even I don't say that, like, I don't say that all females are so much emotional. Like, females are practical too. And let me tell you, ego problems is mostly in boys and in girls too. Like, ये काली काली क्यों लग रही, मतलब मेरे को दिखी ऐसा रहा है कि मैं एक्चुअली से लग रही. So what happens is, parents see the girls to become a doctor. So right now I'm not being gender biased or something. गर्ल्स को भी बनना पसंद है डॉक्टर, बॉयज़ को भी पसंद है डॉक्टर बनना. बस मेरे आसपास ही बॉयज़ कम दिखते जिनको डॉक्टर बनना है. अब मैं क्या बताऊँ. बट आई वुड से कि लड़के भी डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं एंड सपोर्ट सबको करना चाहिए. सो गर्ल्स को क्यों कहते हैं डॉक्टर बनने को ज़्यादातर. सो द पेरेंट्स वांट देयर गर्ल चाइल्ड टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट, to be like earning a lot so that she can earn a lot after she gets older. After she reaches the adulthood, she doesn't have to be dependent on anyone and she doesn't get exploited. Like, it's the best thing a parent would want their child to be. But the thing is that इतना अच्छा वो सोच रहे हैं पर ऐसा होता नहीं है. इतने तो स्कैंडल्स होते हैं भाई. मतलब उसने 12th का पेपर दिया, उसकी ऐसी तैसी नीट का पेपर दिया, वो लीक हो गया. रीनीट भी लोग कह रहे हैं लीक कर देंगे. मेरे को तो लगता नहीं, क्योंकि यार लिसन टू दिस थिंग. द चिल्ड्रन हु वर स्टडिंग फ्रॉम टेलीग्राम आर नाउ they are also affected, because even though they were not studying from the leaked papers, they were studying from the PDF. Like, they were very much important, like those things. And now what they have to do, बेचारों को अब उन्हें भी मतलब ही बनना पड़ेगा. So the person who is taken 12th में जिन्होंने PCB लिया, तो अब उन्हें पूरा टाइम तो मतलब पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. अब उन्होंने पेपर दिया, पेपर भी ख़राब हो गया. 12वीं का पेपर दिया, वो कभी उसका कुछ भी हो रहा है. एंड अदर देन दैट, क्या बताना था मेरे को, रुको. हाँ, अब कोई इंसान डॉक्टर बन भी जाता है ना, अब उस इंसान को क्या काम है डॉक्टर बन के. हाँ, वो तो यार मेरे चाचा रखे छत पे, तो है ना, मेरे को थोड़ी सी एक्टिंग करनी पड़ रही थी, भूल गई थी उनके आती है ना. छोड़ो, क्या बता रही हूँ वैसे. What was I telling you? It's 27 minutes ना. You know what is this? ये हुलिया क्यों है मेरा. ऐसे मत सोचना कि मैं ऐसी रहती हूँ. बस बात ये कि मैं अभी भी उठी हूँ. अच्छा, तो सैटरडे था ना, मम्मी ने छोले नहीं बनाए. छोड़ो मैं वीडियो में क्या बात कर रही हूँ. What was I saying in the video? Like, yes, no. अभी क्या एक्टिंग क्या कर रही हूँ, मेरे को कुछ याद भी आ रहा है, कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा. गाइस, लेट्स गो. मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा मैंने क्या क्या बोला. सो बाय बाय.